Hi everyone, welcome back for another Flexso release video with updates on Emarsys and SAP Sales and Service Cloud. I'm joined together with my colleague Jef.
Hi.
And before we continue, we will kick you off into the new year with a list of new features for all these applications. Jef, take it away.
Thanks, Tin. So as introduced, I'm Jef of the Beek. I'll be guiding you through the Emarsys release, and afterwards Tin will guide you through the Sales and Service release. So Emarsys, unfortunately no big release yet. It will come in the coming weeks. So I've highlighted two custom add-ons that are very interesting and that are newly released upon request. So the first one is for all marketeers having a global organization or targeting people with different languages. Now you can use AI basically to translate your master language in whatever language you like. So for instance, from English to Dutch. How do you do it? You just have to request the add-on. You write your basic campaign, your master language, let's say, and then you hit translate. The system will then use, for now, Microsoft OpenAI to translate everything, but there are possibilities. If you don't use Microsoft within your organization, you can use other tools like DeepL or Smartly. So that's the first custom add-on. The second add-on I wanted to highlight is flexible analytics. So upon this point in time in Emarsys, the only way to do reporting was either use the existing reports or you have to build it outside of Emarsys and use an external tool. Now they've combined both basically, and it's possible to embed your external analytical tool into Emarsys, meaning that the marketeer doesn't have to jump from one system to another system. No, he or she can just use Emarsys to analyze whatever they like. So for instance, they can leverage SAP Analytics Cloud or Power BI or Qlik or Google Looker Studio. How to do that? It's exactly the same. You have to request the add-on with your Emarsys contact. Next, you build your report in whatever tool you like. And lastly, the report will show on embedded into Emarsys directly. So two custom add-ons I wanted to emphasize today for you. Now we move to Sales Cloud.
Awesome, thank you, Jef. Kick things off with information on SAP Sales and Service Cloud version 1. As we discussed in the last release, this was a feature that became available for visits and has now been enhanced to appointments as well, where you can easily select multiple attendees for an appointment and add them to your appointments to keep track of who was there. In guided selling, there are now quick links available in the Kanban board. So if an opportunity is highlighted, you can click through directly to the opportunity itself, the opportunity detail view in the opportunity screen. Also, there's news in the update format from SAP. As from the 2502 release, there will be no more webinar videos. There will only be a blog post with a complete slide deck for future releases for version 1. Then moving on to the future, version 2. As usual, loaded with new features. We've condensed them into the most important ones for you. First of all, sales quotes are now available in the sales history of an account. So you have a complete overview of transactional documents and data available under the account tab in the sales history tab. Just like you have now for leads and opportunities, sales quotes will become available. I'm sure many of us are quite happy with this, and that is the increased limit for extension fields. It has been raised from 30 fields to 150 in total, meaning there will be a lot more customization opportunities for your customers out there and for all the key users. Furthermore, there's a whole list of mobile enhancements for the mobile application. First of all, custom fields that are maintaining extensibility administration are available in the mobile version. Cases are now supported to improve your service experience. There's access to registered products, and mandatory fields can be configured on mobile as well. Moving on to guided selling, it's also packed with new features. First of all, approval can be customized through playbooks for opportunities. Partners that you have in the system, such as maybe carriers, are supported on opportunities as well, to keep track of all the involved parties in the opportunity object. And furthermore, account hierarchy information has also become available within the opportunity object. And finally, there's a few groupware enhancements. You can sync outbound phone calls to your calendar. You can also schedule phone calls to external contacts to your calendar, and customizable filters for accounts and contacts, meaning that you can redefine which contacts and which accounts you want to synchronize and which not, to keep your calendar and your Outlook clean. That's it from my side.
All right, thank you, Tin. This was it for the release in November. We'll be seeing you shortly in 3 months' time. Bye.
Bye.